Last week, Andy was being really annoying.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah.
So I took his goniometer and hit it. Last week, Michael had the idea to send out 5 golden tickets for free PT services. They all went to the same person somehow.
Who's the Asian?
Michael, that's your client.
Right.
Konnichiwa. Ching chang dong. Wong. Chiba chang jong. Dong.
Excuse me?
Oh good, you speak English. Come on back. Take a seat right there, please.
Michael, have you seen my goniometric device?
No.
Alright, well, if you see it, let me know.
So, do you have any injuries? Any previous injuries that I should know about?
Well, it broke my arm when I was 6. If that matters.
Does your arm hurt when you're making rice at home?
No.
So Michael has me come in during his patient interviews to take notes. These are my notes.
That's not good news. I'm afraid that you have polio.
I don't know what kind of clinic this is, but I'm kind of scared. I know I don't have polio.
Ma'am, if you could go get Dwight, please.
Dwight?
Yes.
How are you, Michael?
Dwight, I'm afraid we got another polio case.
Another one?
I need your expertise for this.
Alright, let's do some phrenology. Yeah, definitely. She definitely has polio. My great-grandfather Shrew had polio when he was little. He still lived to be 55 and he ran that beet farm like nobody's business. It'll be okay.
I think it's important that we
It'll be okay.
set the mood before we start this.
Go ahead and lay on your back for us.
Okay. Now just relax. We're doing most of the work here, so look to your left.
No, you're doing it wrong. Michael? Michael, you're doing it wrong.
I think I know what.
No, you're doing it wrong. Michael, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong, Michael. What'd you do?
Maybe you should go get some crutches.
Crutches?
Crutches. Angela. Watch out for the crowd!
Where is my freaking goniometer? I got that from my PT professor at Cornell.
What are you doing?
Something going on here.
Yes, these guys don't know what they're doing. They just hurt my neck.
Toby, why don't you just go back to your office? Yeah, go. Ma'am, sit back down. Toby was sent down by the APTA on account of all the lawsuits and things like that for our company. He's not really a part of this family. He's also divorced, so he's really not a part of his family either. It's about time, Dwight.
Michael! I got the crutches.
Thank you. All right. These look about right.
They're uneven.
Well, obviously one of your legs is shorter than the other. You're just not aware of this. Try them out.
I don't even need this. You hurt my neck, not my legs.
This is my favorite part of the day as a PT. After a long day, I like to sit back, do a little nice long reflection. Oh, the mug. Got it from a custom website. I think it pretty much says it all.